Okay, so let me give you a topic which is a generic topic. So please write the topic of JD. Topic is old age is a curse. Old age is a curse. Please write old age is a curse. Okay, so the topic is old age is a curse. So old age is a curse. Okay, so I think now we can start. So I start now from Ankit this time.
Good evening, friends. Myself Ankit. I am glad to start the discussion. The topic given to us for the group discussion is old age is a curse. I partially agree with this topic because in some parameter we can consider it as curse, like for health, like in as we grow old, our health is deteriorating, and we are relying on the others, but on some other parameters, like we have life experience, we have difference, we have knowledge about what is wrong and what is right, and we are like moh maya se upar. So I think that's it, and now I open the house for the group discussion.
Okay, Manu.
Good evening, friends. The topic given to us is old age is a curse. My name is Manu. So, in my opinion, old age is a necessary evil actually. In old age, we will be gaining more experience, the opportunity to live with our children and grandchildren. But it's a scary situation also. We'll be nearing to death. That's a really scary thing. And there is something that's really worrying in the society is that the old age people will become a burden to others, and another thing is that they will not be able to do anything because of their health problems, and that's a curse also. So I'll be I'm thinking that we'll be having several opinions to share in this topic, and I open this house for discussion.
Okay, Kishan.
Well, good evening, everyone. My name is Keshan, and the topic today is old age is a curse, and I'm happy to start the discussion. Well, this topic is quite interesting, as we have recently seen as the US elect is oldest ever president, Joe Biden, and according to me, I think there it depends on situation to situation. For example, if at the if at the age of retiring or at an old age, if a person is dependent on other, then obviously it's going to be a curse for him or her. But if it is if he or she is independent, and then definitely it's not going to be a curse. So the situation is where it's not going to be curse if the person has planned properly. As we have seen that with the modernization, we the concept of joint family is slowly declining. So we have seen that uh, the children are not happily due to the children are not very happy with the children are so I would so let's start the discussion. This is from my side.
Okay. Okay. So those who join later, Ronnie, how are you? Ronnie, can you hear me?
Sir, I'm fine, sir.
Okay. Sharda, can you hear
Yes,
me? Sharda, can you hear me?
Sir. Yes,
Sharda,
sir.
can you show me? Can you be
Yes.
visible? Be visible. Okay, the topic for both of you, let me tell you, those who joined late, topic is old age is a curse. And I'm giving time to each one of you to speak for 2 minutes. Old age is a curse. You have to speak for 2 minutes, each one of you, when your turn comes. Your turn will come at the end. So old age is a curse. Sharda and Roni, please note the topic. Old age is a curse. Renu, I go for you now.
Yes, sir. Good evening, friends. My name is Renu Gupta, and I am glad for this discussion. The topic given to us is old age curse, and I think this topic is a very interesting topic, and in old age curse is a curse because of health issue, but I think old age is a curse. It depend on the situation, depend on the children, depend on our understanding. And in my point of view, I think old age is not a curse, because old age men give many beneficial advice to any people. So I think this advice is very beneficial to all of to everyone. So I think old age is not a curse in my point of view. So
Okay.
now I invite to all of you for this discussion.
Chandrasekhar?
Good evening, friends. My name is Chandrasekhar. I am glad to initiate the discussion. Today's topic for the discussion is old age is a curse. So this topic is very interesting. In my opinion, it is depend upon the person to the person, and it is a matter of the satisfaction. For the some persons, the life will be satisfied, and some other person, the life will not be satisfied. They can be, we can differentiate this thing based on that. And when we come to the persons with they are feeling satisfied means, some persons it will not be a curse, and some persons they are taking it as a curse. So the positive benefits means they've got the experiences a lot, and this will help the family in many ways, and to share their experience to their children, and can give the important suggestions also. So another point is that they are in the age of enjoying without no any works like that. So it cannot be a curse for some persons, but some other persons,
Okay,
when they
Chandra,
are
you have to
deeply,
conclude. Sum up.
when they have the health issues like that, then depending upon the conditions and the understanding between the family, then for some persons it can be a curse. So we can discuss on the lines. If
Okay.
I have missed anything, thank you.
Okay.
I open the
Okay.
house for the discussion.
Okay. So keep all of you mute till your name comes, so the disturbance will minimum. So Sagar, I think we can go with you now.
Yes, sir. As we have heard that someone are in the support of old age is a curse. Well, I can say that old age is definitely is not a curse, because it's basically the last phase of your life. If at that age, every person is almost experienced. He has lived every phase of the life. If you are enjoying your childhood, then you should enjoy. Then a person has a right to enjoy his old adulthood as well. Actually, sometimes old age also gives the supreme authority in a house in someone's hand. For example, if you have to take advice from someone, or also sometimes talking to a old age person also gives relief to our heart and mind. We get sometimes a clear perspective views. So, and as Kishan said, US president was US currently the US president Joe Biden is the oldest. So yes, in old age, some people do some commendable job, like Kisan has given the example, and like Manu said that it's scary. Death is we come closer to death. Well, I want to say a line on that. Death is the real truth of life that we just do not want to hear. And about health, in childhood we also need some care and patience. So in adulthood, it's our responsibility to give them in return. So I basically open the house for discussion for the next one. And according to me, old age is not a curse.
Okay. Now I think Ronnie, we can go ahead.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to speak. Old age, in my point of view, old age is, for some people, old age is a curse, but for other people, there is not curse. Just like means some people by coming the age of 60, 70, like that, the people they have many means diseases like that. So for some people they are very good, means they are not have any disease like that. So for some people they are good and some for bad. It only for the personal thinking and all. So as uh, as we can say from the means many peoples are in here are there, means some people like in the old age suffer from lot of diseases, and like in they went to hospitals and all like that. And some people they are very, means they are very happy with their life. They didn't suffer from anything, not a single disease like that only. So in my perspective, for some people they it is a curse, but it's the way of thinking of the personal perspective. Someone how he thinks, how he should be in his old age, and like that.
Okay.
So I conclude this.
Okay. Sharda?
Thank you.
Hello. Good evening, sir.
Yeah, go ahead. Please introduce the topic.
Introduce. Old age is a curse. The topic is old age is a curse. Now, I'm audible, sir.
Yes, yes.
According to me, old age is not at all a curse. It depends upon person to person. If he is healthy enough, he is healthy from his mind, he is healthy from his body, then he can perform as good as any young man. Also, the plus point would be that he has experience of all of his life. The more experienced person than a younger person, so he can use that. Also, I would like to add about the qualities that a person can have. He can develop the qualities. He might have developed all his lifetime. Now he can use. He knows very well about him that what works best for him, so he can use it. That's all from my perspective.
Okay, that's it, Sharda.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Now we start the second round, and the second round is related to discussion among all of you. So you can discuss among you. Whosoever wants to speak can speak, but I want that decorum is maintained while discussing. So please go ahead for the second round.
So according to me, what I think is let's bifurcate the challenges which an old person faces, so that at last we can reach to a meaningful consensus or a conclusion. So according to me, the health is the major challenge that a person faces in when it becomes old. And
I want to add
In
one
my
point is
point of
that
view, actually, in my point of view, we want to make good environment so that old men do not think that old age is curse. Old men think
I agree
old
with
men
Renu, it
always
depends
think
on
that
person to person. exactly
Yeah,
there
yeah.
I think it
Even
depends
old
upon the
men
family
think,
also.
I
old
totally
men
agree with
always
you.
It
think
depends
that
upon the
old
person
age
and
is cursed.
the conditions also.
exactly
Depends upon the
secondly, as
family
conditions
members
Chandrasekhar is
also.
also.
saying,
How
the
family
financial
members
conditions,
are treating
the financial
us.
conditions of the family matters a lot. So as we have seen that if the financial conditions are good, so definitely there are certain, if there is going to be some health issue, obviously
At
that are
some
Yeah,
going to be
yeah,
point,
yeah.
my
solved.
friend, at
Old
some
age
point,
we
financial
can
condition
we
is
can
good,
can
but
be
say
health
that
issue
not
and
The
old
everyone.
point
age.
is that another point is
Exactly.
that
Just about
That's
the
what I was
I
saying
wa-
ki it's for a particular section, it there might be not be, even though there are certain health challenges, it's not going
yeah,
to
yeah.
Actually,
bother
old
them. As
age
they have
man
money,
is
they can afford the best treatments. So
But
yeah, yeah.
I think
actually
the
old
old
age
age treatment
It is
only
not
parents
time
about
and
with the family
grandparents is very
members.
it
important.
is
So
not about the financial
everyone,
matters, but it some diseases can be very crucial. Means they cannot.
yeah,
They
exactly.
they
That's what
I
I am
cannot
think
saying. Na?
old
That's
age
what I am
parents
saying.
and
Ki maybe
grandparents
for
is
not have the
some
ability
section of the
to
society.
recover that.
every
If you think that these diseases are very worse and he cannot control, then it can be curse for them. It is not a matter of the money or something else. And
Yes,
another
exactly.
So
point is that
basically, we
some
what
another
we can
challenge
see
for
here
the
is
people
the
is that
main.
Okay,
it,
Sagar,
it
you are trying to make a point. Please speak,
Yeah,
Sagar.
basically we can see that everyone is making only one point, that is the health issue regarding
That's
the
the major
old.
challenge. That was
Yeah,
us. Yes,
that
yes.
only one major
not
challenge we
only
can say
health
here is
issue, also
health issue, and
not
also
only health
many
issue,
reasons.
also there is
and
also
someone.
another challenge is
Yeah,
that
giving
the
it
matter
Sorry,
another
of
I'm trying to
perspective,
complete my
giving it
point.
another perspective, as you all might have heard that experience is the mother of all knowledge.
Yes,
So
first we are
as
talking
a
about these
person grows
curses,
old, he
right?
has
Yes, our family
hell much of
background is also
experience.
depend.
And
That
I want to add something.
old
Yes,
age man
Ronnie.
think that old age is curse,
It's
and
not only
even
the physical
and
Yeah,
thing.
I
we can
agree.
Yeah,
take
It's of the
that was
Yeah,
mental
yeah.
a part.
perspective
That was
also.
just a
Yes,
It's
part.
Ronnie.
not
I want
mental
to. I
also.
want to add
If
one
you
thing that
think
it
that
is
way,
not
you
only the
think
physical thing
you are
only,
a
but it
curse,
is the
then
matter of the
you will be
satisfaction
like
also.
that only.
Somebody,
And if
some
you
persons
think everything
think
is
that
good, fine
he
and
will.
with you, then
actually old age parents
nobody
and
in the world
grandparents
can
is very
change your mind.
important
It's a mental
to
also. Mental
everyone,
thinking is
and
also has
Yeah,
to be
old age
Ronnie,
developed.
men
I
give very
agree to that.
Exactly,
beneficial
Ronnie. I
advice,
agree with you.
I
and
agree to
old
the
advice
point
is
that
very beneficial to our life and for our achievement of the target. And
yeah,
so
I
we
agree to
can
that.
take one example that John Biden is old age man, and John Biden is very popular man, and even he is also a old age
Uh, So
man.
But
what I think is, to have a
But
better perspective, what we can do is we can let's Manu,
you
let me
have
let me
given
complete
the
my point. Manu,
you have
to
given the
have a
example of
better
the Joe
perspective,
Biden that nobody thinks that he should be active as the Joe Biden like that. We should not take in the way that the Joe Biden has reached the higher position. So the old persons might
there
think
are
that
certain other examples as we see that are the chief of defense staff.
yeah,
That
but
position was
they
Yes,
are
yes.
not unsatisfied. They won't think
I,
that they are
Even
unsatisfied because they
actually,
are
we
not
can
in
take
that
the
positions.
example
yeah. So
at the
from
It
this,
is
higher
the
what we
matter
can
of
draw a
the
conclusion is that
satisfaction.
we
at
can
on
see
the
that
higher
education plays an
generally.
position,
important
everyone
role.
is the old age man.
From this we can draw a conclusion
I,
that education plays an important role. If a person is educated, obviously old age is never going to be a curse for him or her. I think
Another,
No,
I want to add the another challenge is that
I also want to add a point. Sometimes,
another challenge for the
sometimes,
old persons is that it is the matter of the satisfaction. Means if a person during his lifetime he cannot do some things, which means he has not been satisfied, and he is
obviously
thinking that
and
there might be going to some regrets.
I want to say that he thinks that he has no age and to satisfy those things.
I
Then
want
in
to
these
I want
situations,
to take one
it
example
might be
that
a curse for him.
I want to take one example at every higher position level. Every man is old age man. So we can say that every old age
Well,
men have very
that's the
experienced
section
and
of the
have
yeah, they
society
have
which has
very
experience and
important
they have
very
which have
the
very
education
reason
high
being
also.
level
that
of
every
education.
high
Again,
position
about
that's
CM is
what
an
I
there is a
told.
old
exception to
man.
that.
It's
But
it's
yeah,
Basically,
person to
that
person perspective. If you think that ways,
yeah.
as you grow old, you have more experience and lot of experience.
Yeah,
As you
I agree
Well,
to the point
obviously,
of the
Ronnie, it
Ronnie
depends
that
on person to person. If
it is not about the higher
even
positions.
though
It is
those
a
who have
matter
not
of
done
the
anything in
person to
their
the
life,
person.
also they are happy at the old age. So exactly, but
Yeah,
let's talk
the
about a
happiness.
bigger picture, huh?
We
yeah,
have
yeah,
to
yeah.
see the happiness factor. As the Kishan said, the happiness factor is the matter, not about the position he is in the old age or not. The happiness factor is the what we have to see.
And one thing also, if the person who is old and his children are supporting him or her, in their old age, then
That,
he is the
Not
most
a curse.
happiest
that's a
person
very,
in the
that,
world.
that's
Yeah,
Yeah,
right.
something
I
we should
want to
discuss,
add
that
like
we
that.
cannot
If
only
a
family
family
members.
has
Person is
he
dependent
can
on
be
other. If a
satisfied
person
lots
is
of
dependent
relations
on other, then
among the parents,
there
Otherwise,
might be
old
some
age
issue
can be
that
cursed.
there might be some challenges with him. And if he is
Kishan, I
independent,
want to add to one point that old person has more mental stability and more mental clarity than any
Yeah,
other.
as we grow
And
older,
more
the vision
patience
is
also.
clear.
if you
And
want
I
to
want to
learn the
add more
patience level,
patience.
you
He
have
has
you
the
can learn from
patience.
them. They
and
have a
he
great
has more
patience
life
level.
The most
experience, then
experienced
obviously
person.
Losing those
You guys are talking about the
Also how to handle how to handle the children.
don't have
No one can
that.
teach better than them.
obviously
I agree to the point. And another point is that it is the old person is the, it is like a God given, like it is the age of the retirement, means he cannot do anything and he is enjoying his life and
Yes,
whatever things he can do. It is like enjoying life. It is
the point.
in
And
that
the
point
thing is that,
it can't be a curse.
Yeah, yeah.
and the other
Actually,
thing I
in
will be
my
having to
point of
point
view,
out that
old
they'll be
age
having
become
a
cursed when health issue and her children is not supporting to
Yes,
him,
yes,
and
rather than the health
I
issue, they'll
think
be
the main
having the
reason,
fear
because
I
of
of
think the
dying.
main
the
point should
last
be
They'll be
stage
having
of
a
the
fear
if the
of
life,
the
family is
manner
not
in which
then
they'll
I
be
supporting.
think
dying.
Health.
that time.
Yes, Renu, I agree to you completely. But I can say that every person don't have health issues. Like we
Yeah,
can.
that's what I want to
I
say.
am
And
also
if a
agree
In
person
that
this
have
case,
health
but yeah,
issues, there are
generally
certain
with the
for
insurance policy
most of the
everyone
regarding
people will
old
be
is
age.
having
growth,
health issues at the
generally
early
old
of the old
age is
age.
there
cursed,
are health issues.
but some
Generally the old
Physically
age person
become
is
weak and
having the major
physically
health
become
issues.
weak, and we are dependent on others. No one can deny that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
it is
In
it
addition
depends
to
on
that
the
point, when we
situation
are
to
dependent,
We are
situation.
these
dependent on
older
each
persons
other.
are when these older persons are dependent on the others. If the situations are not are opposite to him, then he might be feel depressed like that. And
What
something
whatever we
like
are
that.
going through, the
I
old
have seen
person
examples like
is
that.
has gone through
If
in his life,
situation is against,
and
then
he knows
old
what
age
to
means
do and what
old
is
age is
the
a curse.
consequences,
Otherwise,
because he's facing at that the same problem which we are going to face in our old age. He is
Sorry, yes,
facing that
I can.
problem.
I can add to you that everybody
Yeah.
is talking about extreme old age condition. Yes, we can talk about the 60s or 70s where person is very much, strong enough in his mind and from his body also. Not everybody has same as issues. We can
Yeah.
have an example of
Yeah.
We are saying the same thing, that
Adding to
it depends
Shana's
upon the
point, we
condition.
actually
And what his aim is aim to do that, what his aim in the old age, he achieved that age, then he is the most happiest and luckiest person.
Yeah,
No
yes,
matter
What
no
I'm
matter
trying
in
to
how
say is,
condition
if
he
we
is.
kept
if
the
he's not
health
able
issue
to
aside, just
even
think about the
even
old
though
age.
he
Is it a curse?
manner in
No.
which they will be dying. There will be something
Take
like
an
they will be
example
feeling
of
the
Yeah.
COVID. Like
manner
in
in which they will be
COVID,
dying.
it's also
Now, fear of
within
death
our
is obviously a
sensitivity.
good fear of
So
death is obviously a good reason to point out here.
yeah,
They will not be
if we,
actually,
feeling
well,
this,
old
no
but
age
one
they'll
life
can
be
is
deny
feeling
very
the
that.
manner in which
happiest
they will be
life.
dying.
Actually,
They
old
will be
age
feeling
life
the
is
manner in
very
which they will be dying.
happiest life because of I have no work, doing anything, and we can go anywhere, and we
How
can
no,
Some
this
people
is
will
not
be
means
thinking that
they
that's a
have work.
dying
travel
thing.
to any
This is
place,
very
I
boring
and
thing.
we can
I don't agree with you in
enjoy
this
it.
topic. Means
And
like
yeah,
they
I
have
agree with the
work. Means
Renu. I agree with the Renu that
I don't, I totally not agree with this, because they have something they have to
yeah,
do. Means
they
you have
have
never
to
seen that
do
some old person
something.
is just sitting alone, like they
but
have
they
something
have
or the
no,
other to do, like reading
they don't
newspaper,
have any
like
major
reading
works, right?
books.
Yes, most of the people
Yeah,
They
will be
don't have
unaware
any
of the
major, but
technology,
the
or even the
simple, the
smartphone or
small
phone
things is
usage.
there. Na?
They'll be
But
This
having
they, yeah,
the same
exactly,
things
Ronnie.
which
They
they
have to do
continue.
make them
something, but
happy.
they as such there
It
is
is not
also
like
big
the
responsibilities
compulsory
on them,
work. They are
which
doing
is
by their
that
habits, and they are enjoying themselves. It is not like the duty they
Okay,
are doing.
I think now we conclude. So I start from Chandrasekhar, you only.
Okay, friends, we have come into the discussion, and we have very good points. We have discussed. We are on the point that it is the old age is the curse. It's depend upon the person to the person, and dependent on the situation the person is the facing. We have discussed about the challenges is faced by the person when he is having the health issues, and the treatment being given by the family members, and the financial conditions also. And we have talked about the good points, like that he had the experiences which can help the family members, etc. And another point, Renu and I told that it is like the age of the retirement, then they are enjoying their own life. So at last, on behalf of the team, the conclusion is it is depend on the person, and we cannot give a general statement like that the old age is a curse. Okay, thank you.
Now I go for Renu.
Sir, in my behalf of the team, I have many points. First is the old age is not a curse. Even old age man is a very happiest man, because they can go anywhere. They can live your life without any condition. And second point, old age man think that if we have any health issue, and then they think that old age is curse. So I think we want to make a good environment so that old age men do not think that old age is curse. And third point is the old age men give very beneficial advice. And I want to take one example that at on your higher level position, I mean say that at higher level official post, that everyone is old age man, and everyone is happy in your life. And third, every child take responsibility for that the old age man not think that old age is curse. So this is my side. These point is for my side, from my side.
Okay, now we go to Kishan.
So we have a very healthy discussion, and finally we reached to a consensus that old age is not a curse at all. Leaving some extremities, that the health issues, the financial challenges, that they are dependent on others. Otherwise, obviously, we have seen all around. We have seen that they are the happiest person. They have no responsibilities. They are their retirement age, and even they have a lot of experience, so which we can learn from them. So this was from my side. Thank you.
Okay, now Manu. Manu. Okay, then we go Ankit.
Okay, friends, I am glad to conclude. We had a good discussion. Like as per some parameter, old age is a curse. Like for health, and we are relying on the others. So it depends upon our family also, that how they are treating us. And but on some other parameter, it is not a curse. Like as we grow old, we can give a good advice, and we have clear vision about the future, and we have a good life experience. So yeah, that's it.
Okay, now I think Sagar.
Yes, sir. Like Kishan said, that we have finally reached a concession. Yes, we do not consider old age as a curse, because it is the last phase of our life. If we have enjoyed our first phase, we should also enjoy the last phase. And as regarding, many have points that regarding the healthcare, so we should take some medical insurance policies, like government providers like Atal Pension Yojanas and other schemes that government provide for the treatment of our old age, if we are financially not stable. But it totally depends on our mentality whether we want to keep them with us or not. So according to me, old age is not a curse, and I would like to extend further.
Okay,
to the house.
then Roni.
Sir, we had a very healthy conclusion, healthy discussion, and after that we have came to the conclusion like that the old age is a very means the old people, they means from the small things they are very happy, means for doing such a small things. We conclude that for small things, it's just a mental barrier. Okay, in person to person, that he is it is curse for him or her. But some old people are like that. They are for small things, for small work. They don't have the major work for to do, because the major work they have achieved in their young age only. And the small things they wish ever they daily routine like that, and they are very happy in that. And as per the experience and all, the old age people have the very much experience in their life, and they have the very much patience in their life. And the now young age people, they don't have that much patience and experience. So
Okay.
I conclude this.
Okay, then Sharda.
Hello friends, I would like to conclude on behalf of all of my friends. We had a great discussion. I want to conclude in a way that old age is a curse. This statement cannot be generalized because old age is a phase of life. Everyone is going to face, and uh, some good, some good points were very good. Uh, our friends discussed that the old age person is at a high peak of his performance as far as his experience is concerned, as far as his um, way of life is concerned. So we believe that he has more mental clarity, stability, and one major issue since we're talking about the health, yeah, it can be depend upon person to person, but everyone knows that health issues start uh, uh, on later stage in life. But yes, we can manage those with better health facilities, and we can prevent all such things worse things to happen. Yes, and we also friends talk about the dependency. So everybody is not dependent. We can say that extreme age, old age, we can say that he's a dependent. But in 60s or 70s, they have achieved, in my opinion, they have achieved a lot, so they can enjoy it. So it's according to the whole discussion, the conclusion. I can say that old age is not a curse. This is from my side. Thank you.
Okay. So Manu,
Can you hear me? Hello.
yeah. Yes, Manu, we can hear you.
Okay, so we had a very turbulent discussion, and we got many points in this discussion. Like Renu and Sagar pointed out, it's not a curse, and we get many experience when we get old, and we can teach others, which will be most of the times useful in politics and like defense sectors, and most of the seniors are preferred there. And another thing is that Kishan pointed out, it will not be a curse, of course, when a person lives independently, and if a person has wealth, that's also true to some extent. In my opinion, the pain of the disease will be some kind of curse to the person, and the fear of death, rather than the fear of death, the manner in which they will be dying will be certainly an uncertainty thing for them. So that will be a kind of curse for them, but we can manage to make that a less curse by taking good care of them, especially their relatives can do that. So in my opinion, whether it's a curse or bone, there is no stopping. It's the law of nature, but we can manage it. We can reduce that curse by taking good care of those old people. As a conclusion, I can say that.
Okay. So everybody is concluded, I suppose, right? Okay. Now see, whenever you are given a statement, think of whether you want to agree with the statement or disagree with the statement. Agree partially, disagree partially, largely agree, largely disagree, or what? So old age is a curse. Do you agree to this statement? Answer has to be yes, no, largely yes, largely no. Something has to be there. You need to speak that. So you need to say, good evening, friends. My name is this, and the topic for the discussion today given is old age is a curse. This is quite thought-provoking topic. Remember those statements. Remember those lines, which none of you is using. That will help you. That will help you because in any topic, irrespective of what the topic is, you can use these lines. That will put impression. Even if you know less about the topic, it helps you to speak. So I repeat again, good evening, friends. My name is Vijendra, and I take initiative to introduce you to the topic. The topic for the discussion today is old age is a curse. Friends, this is really a thought-provoking topic. This is really a topic of concern nowadays. You can use these lines. Friends, I largely disagree with the statement. I do not agree to the statement in totality. In my opinion, it is a curse, but under certain situations, not for everyone, not in all the situations. Something like that. And that is what you said. Most of you said that largely you disagree. Nobody said yes, it is a curse. Nobody said no, it is not a curse. Yes or no, nobody said. All of you, I was listening, all of you said that okay, it can be cursed, depends from person to person, situation to situation. If kids are there, children are supporting, then not curse. If health is good, then not curse. So largely you said, but you guys are not speaking it well. You guys are not using those statements. You need to use those statements which actually help you, for which we are practicing. I told you that irrespective of what topic is given, practice certain lines, practice a pattern. Neither you guys are picking up the pattern, nor you guys are using those statements. Agree, disagree. If the statement is like that, then every topic has two perspectives. In this, the perspective was yes. If it is a curse, under what situation? If it is not curse, under what situation? So friends, in my neighborhood, there is a very old fellow. His health wise is not okay. His kids are not taking care of him. I feel pity on him, and then I realize, yes, it is a curse. But on the other hand, when I see Biden, he is also old man, but he's powerful, he's healthy. It may not be a curse. Some people die like that. But then when we think of even very famous people, like famous personalities, think of our own Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee, the way he died. I mean, he was 10 years on the bed. So it may be curse in that situation when you lose your mental balance. So friends, it depends upon the situation. That is how you should have started. No, yeah, that is how you should have spoken certain lines. Pretext, examples, you take aspects, you discuss in categories. So yes, if statement is given, you need to either agree, disagree, or largely what you want to do. Second, if there is a statement which has different aspect, different dimensions, different verticals, then you divide that, you talk about that. Yes, if I agree, then this. If I do not agree, then this. This is the situation in which I agree, I do not agree. That is what you have to basically do. That is what you should have said. And then you should have said, okay friends, I think largely we will have discussion in which situation it is a curse and in which situation it is not curse. Now I invite all of you to start the discussion. This would have been the best introduction. Let me repeat again. The best introduction would have been, and listen to me now carefully. Good evening friends, my name is Renu, and I take the opportunity to introduce all of you to the topic given for the discussion today. Friends, the topic given for the discussion today is old age is a curse. It is quite thought-provoking topic, and in present day, it is also cause of concern. I do not largely agree to the statement. I believe that old age is not a curse for everyone in all the situations. Yes, but it can be curse for someone in certain situations. Now, I think all of us should take forward this discussion in the direction of under what situation it is a curse and under what situation it is not a curse. I open the house for the discussion. This would have been the best introduction. No details, nothing like that, but given the directions and taking the side, some side. And then when the discussion goes on, give the examples now. Yes, it is not a curse. You see, old people are ruling the country. Biden is only 77 years. There are people with 90 years of age who are ruling the country, ruling their nations. They are in the, the Queen of UK, London Queen. Any idea what is the age? Any idea what is the age of Queen? None of you are of her age, or what? Nobody knows the age?
I think 90 plus.
90 plus. So that's not a curse. We can't say that.
90 plus.
Yeah, so that is not a curse. So you could have said, but yes, at the same time, you see some old people dying in very petty situations. So that is a curse. You could have taken that. और जब डिस्कशन चल रहा होता है बीच में, तो रिलैक्स होके मत बैठो यार. मैं तुम्हें बताता हूँ कौन कौन रिलैक्स होकर बैठ जाता है बीच में. अंकित, तुम रिलैक्स होकर बैठ जाते हो. And then सागर, तुम भी रिलैक्स होकर बीच में बैठ रहे हो. अंदर, you should always be in the hurry. You should always be in the I'll say in situation preparedness to enter. कौन डिस्कशन करते करते. हॉस्टल में कभी डिस्कशन नहीं किया क्या तुम लोगों ने? हॉस्टल में तो बोलने तक नहीं देते हो यार तुम एक दूसरे को. जब डिस्कशन चलता है हॉस्टल में, वो तो तुम बिल्कुल बोलने नहीं देते हो, अग्रेसिव हो जाता है, तो तुम किसी की बात भी पूरी नहीं होने देते. अगर तुम किसी दिन डिसाइड कर लो कि हॉस्टल का डिस्कशन चल रहा है और जिस टॉपिक को तुम डिस्कस कर रहे हो उसको मन से डिस्कस करो, दिमाग से नहीं, मन से, वो तुम्हें फील करो, तो ये डिस्कशन अल्टीमेट चले जाएगा, बहुत अच्छा डिस्कशन जाएगा. यू नीड टू फील इट, नॉट दिमाग से बट दिल से, कि जो मैं डिस्कस कर रहा हूँ, अगर ये टॉपिक तुम्हें हॉस्टल में देता कि यार क्या लगता है तेरे को, ओल्ड एज कर्स है कि नहीं, खुद देख, सोच के देखो कि अगर हॉस्टल में होता, 4 लड़के होते तुम आपस में अच्छे फ्रेंड्स, तो तुम किसी को बोलने थोड़ी देते यार, पॉइंट पे पॉइंट रखते तुम अपना, और अल्टीमेट डिस्कशन निकल के आता. अभी इस फॉर्मल सेटिंग में तुम्हें लग रहा है कि यार मेरे को पता नहीं ऑक्सफोर्ड डिक्शनरी के सेंटेंसेस ही यूज करने हैं. यू आर नॉट टू डू दैट. फ्लो, फ्री फ्लो डिस्कशन बिंदास करो यार, तभी डिस्कशन का मतलब निकलेगा, अदरवाइज नहीं निकलेगा. कीप योरसेल्फ टोटली अटेंटिव, कि जैसे हॉस्टल के रूम में डिस्कशन कर रहे हो, पॉइंट अपना वैसा करो कि मेरे को जीतना है ये डिस्कशन, आई एम टू विन इट, आई एम टू कन्विंस समबडी कि हाँ ये मेरा पॉइंट है और दिस पॉइंट इज करेक्ट। लड़ाई करने की जरूरत नहीं है। या
मतलब सर जैसे आपने बोला कि जीतना है हमको ये सब, तो सर अगर हम एग्रेसिवली हो जाएंगे तो सर ये
हाँ,
डिबेट में
मेरी
कन्वर्ट
अगली
नहीं हो
लाइन
जाएगा
मेरी
सर।
अगली लाइन तुमने सुनी नहीं, मैंने बोला जीतना है लेकिन अग्रेसिव नहीं होना है, ये बोला मैंने बोला असर्टिव होना है, अग्रेसिव नहीं होना है। जीत सकते हो तुम बिना अग्रेसिव हुए, अग्रेसिव होने को कौन बोल रहा है, तुम जीतते हो बिना अग्रेसिव हुए। असर्टिव होना है तुम्हें, स्माइल करो, किसी को स्माइल करके गाली भी दोगे तो गाली लगेगी नहीं वो। अब जैसे मैं जोर से बोलता जाऊंगा ऐसे ऐसे कि नो नो यू आर रॉन्ग रॉन्ग रॉन्ग, सॉरी सागर सॉरी सागर सॉरी सागर, यू आर रॉन्ग 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 रॉन्ग, तो अग्रेसिव लगेगा ही नहीं वो कभी, जितना भी जोर से बोल दूं। लेकिन अगर उससे बोलो व्हाट सागर व्हाट आर यू सेइंग, दिस इज नॉनसेंस, दिस इज नॉनसेंस, सागर व्हाट आर यू सेइंग यार, दिस इज नॉनसेंस, दिस इज नॉनसेंस, कैन यू सी द डिफरेंस?
Yes, sir.
मतलब आई एम नॉट लुकिंग लाइक जोकर बट यू सी दिस इज हाउ द डिफरेंस इज। यार तुम स्माइल करके अगर किसी को स्माइल करके डांट भी दोगे ना यार, वो डांट लगती नहीं है। और ये लाइफ में भी याद रखना, तुम married man like me learns this, you know, understand, because after a lot of fight with the wife you understand you cannot win, then what you have to say, you have to smile and say your word. So that is how it is to be done. So you are smile karte raho और अपनी voice level increase करते रहो, तो वो तुम्हारा फाइट नहीं लगेगी, वो अग्रेशन नहीं लगेगा। हाँ लेकिन अगर तुम बहुत सीरियस होके बैठे हो तो nobody is going to like you. Serious face nobody likes. Charming face is smiling face. You need to be little calm, cool, charming, smiling. That's it. अपना पॉइंट बोलो।
चार लोग साथ में बोल रहे होते हैं, समझ में नहीं आता क्या पॉइंट बोला, तो इंटरप्ट देम और
you have to interrupt them, you have to interrupt them at the right moment, right point. You listen any of the GDs which I've uploaded, there is a chaos, but then suddenly that chaos goes off और फिर एक लल पीरियड आता है, लल पीरियड, जैसे सुनामी आती है, तूफान आता है, फिर थोड़ी देर में हवा रुक जाती है, तब तुम दौड़ो, फिर हवा फिर चलेगी तो तुम छुप जाओ, फिर दोबारा दौड़ो। सो दैट मीन्स जब सब बोल रहे होते हैं तो तुम चुप होके बैठ जाओ, फिर जैसे वो सब बोल के चुप हो जाएंगे तुम एंटर कर जाओ। दैट इज द आर्ट यू हैव टू लर्न, दैट इज द आर्ट यू हैव टू लर्न। एंड व्हेन यू हैव टू कट समबडी यू हैव टू कट विद वर्ड, नॉट सेंटेंस। सेंटेंस को कभी भी सेंटेंस नहीं काटेगा, तो आप सेंटेंस को काटना एक वर्ड के साथ काट सकते हो। सॉरी आई डिसएग्री, नो चंद्रशेखर आई डिसएग्री, व्हाट यू आर सेइंग चंद्रशेखर रॉन्ग, आई एम सॉरी चंद्रशेखर आई डोंट एग्री, सॉरी चंद्रशेखर आई डोंट एग्री, यस करेक्ट, दैट इज ट्रू, करेक्ट। नॉडिंग करते जाओ, ऐसे बोलते जाओ। मतलब मैं तो कई लोगों को जानता हूं जो पूरे डिस्कशन में नॉडिंग और यस करके ही जीडी जीत जाते हैं यार, ऐसे भी होते हैं लोग, कुछ नहीं बोलते, वो यस एंड नो लोग करते हैं, जीत जाते हैं। वो शेरो शायरी में तुम गए नहीं, मुकर्रर करने वाले लोग बैठे होते हैं वो वैसा, तो उसका जो शायर होता है उसका सारा ध्यान उसके ऊपर होता है जो मुकर्रर कर रहा होता है, जोर जोर से मुकर्रर, दैट मींस यस करेक्ट। तो तुम्हें वो करना है, तुम्हें एक्टिविटी शो करनी है। जब जीडी में बैठो 1 घंटा तो यार एक्टिव होके बैठो ना, पैसिव होके मत ना बैठो। पैसिव होके बैठ रहे हो कि मैंने तो बोल लिया, अब दूसरे की बारी है, फिर चुपचाप बैठ गए, फिर कुछ इंटरेस्ट शो नहीं कर रहे हो। आप अपना वीडियो देखना, जब यूट्यूब पे मैं डालूंगा आपको लग जाएगा कि यार मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, मैं तो बात ही नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैं तो कहीं और थॉट्स में चला गया हूँ, आई एम आउट ऑफ दिस डिस्कशन, आई एम नॉट थिंकिंग। वो नहीं करना है, यू नीड टू बी अटेंटिव ऑल द टाइम, यू नीड टू नॉडिंग अटेंटिव, वो रहो, तब डिस्कशन का मजा आएगा। अदरवाइज यू नॉट एंजॉय द डिस्कशन। इफ यू थिंक मेरे को 4 बार बोलना था, 3 बार बोलना था, मैंने बोल लिया, बात खत्म, डोंट डू दैट। यू शुड बी इन हरी एंड वरी टू एंटर। इफ यू आर neither in hurry nor you are worried to enter, you not enter, तो मार्क्स नहीं मिलेगा फिर तुम्हें। you need to enter, and for that matter conclusion is not your statement, conclusion is of everyone. Like Manu, you said in my opinion, these are not the words to be used in conclusion. My opinion नहीं होता conclusion में, what we think, all of us, we are of the opinion, he said this, he said that, we are of the opinion, in my opinion। एक आधी सेंटेंस बोल सकते हो in my opinion, not every sentence।
Sir, actually I was saying 2 of the other people's opinion, then I told my opinion in that part.
But I believe you said 2-3 times. You said 2-3 times my opinion.
Oh, okay.
Only one sentence it has to be, not more than that. Manu, you said it is a necessary evil. Manu, you said old people should be killed. Actually, you said that they should be put on some kind of place and they should be fired. That is what you said. Listen, you said necessary evil, scary, near death, worry, burden to others, can't do anything with them. What are you even saying here? Where you see, Where will you put our old people? You tell me. Why you are
No,
so
no.
negative about them?
I was not negative about them, sir. I was
Right.
saying that they are a curse. They will be thinking that it's a curse to them. That's
That
it. They
is-
will be thinking
why
that.
they will think, yeah. See, why they will think they will curse. You ask my father, you ask grandma, they're very happy. You know, there's a bloody entire life we have worked now. It's so relaxing. We can watch TV. You know, when the COVID came, these were the oldies who were happiest. These are nothing to go out. We are not to work. We are not to earn. Oldies were the happiest. You know, kids and
Uh,
oldies. During COVID, oldies and kids were happiest. I tell you.
Sir,
They said,
uh, in my case, my grandparents are not so happy. They are having many diseases and they are suffering.
so you
They
cannot
are
give
caring
your
about
own
them. That's
example
what I was
and
saying.
generalize it. You're not to generalize your own example. You could have given your own example as example in not support, but you generalize it. This is how you started. You said, okay, they are necessary evil. This is scary, near death, worry, burden to others, can't do anything. No, that is general statements you gave. It looks like you totally support old age is a curse. It looked like you're supporting it. Actually, it is not. It is not. Old age is not a curse. Old age has many advantages. You know, it is a curse, as I told you, depends person to person, what situation. Obviously, if somebody is health wise and his kids are not taking care, then obviously it may become curse.
Sir, even if the kids are taken care of, they are afraid of the death, sir. Afraid of the manner in which they will be dying.
No, I tell you one thing. Everybody is afraid of death to the same level. Even you ask me or somebody, everybody is afraid of death. Not only old people. You know, the best gift given to human being is he does not remember the death. Nobody. You take old man on movie PVR and drinks, he will say enjoy. Where death? Where is the death? No death. So it is a situation. Not every old man is afraid of death. If that is the case, these two oldies are fighting for presidential post, the hectic most job in USA. Trump and
Sir,
this
I was
Jane.
not saying
Hmm?
that death is not scary. The manner in which they will be dying will be scary.
So
They
how
will
do
be
you know
not
what
be
is the manner?
knowing that
What is the manner?
manner means some kind of disease like cancer or something like that.
No,
That will be quite scary, sir.
no, it's not like that. You need to take general case, Manu. And we are not talking about Indian people only. We are talking about American also. Everyone. They go on long visits. Sometimes they jump from the aeroplane. They say enjoy. We'll do enjoy. It is not that we can generalize that, the statement. And then Kishan, if it depends that curse or else not curse, planning is proper. Kishan said, okay, it may be curse, it may not be curse. That is a right. Kishan started rightly that it may not be curse, depends upon the situation. But Kishan, you said education is the key. You mean educated people are happy?
नो सर, वो स्टेटमेंट था कि मतलब सर सपोर्ट करने के लिए स्टेटमेंट था कि अगर एजुकेशन है तो ऑब्वियसली वर्थ फील करते हैं लोग अपनी ऐसा
अच्छा, तुमसे एक बात पूछता हूँ, ज्यादा हैप्पी कौन रहता है, एजुकेटेड आदमी, नॉन एजुकेटेड?
नॉन एजुकेटेड सर।
क्यों
सर कुछ एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं होती,
उसको टेंशन नहीं होती यार, उसको कोई टेंशन नहीं। अच्छा, क्लास में पढ़ने वाला टेंशन में होता है कि बिना पढ़ने वाला जो बिल्कुल नहीं पढ़ता है? कौन टेंशन होता है क्लास के अंदर? तुम तो पढ़े हो ना, सारे जानते हो यार। क्लास के अंदर बिंदास वो होता है जिसको पढ़ना नहीं होता, नंबर नहीं लेने होते जिसको। वैसे जिसको पढ़ाई नहीं करता ना ओल्ड मैन, वो हाँ तुम ये बोल सकते कि जो वेल्दी नहीं है, जिसका सोर्स ऑफ इनकम नहीं है, जिसका स्टेबिलिटी नहीं है, इनकम सिक्योरिटी नहीं है, यस, सोशल सिक्योरिटी नहीं है, इनकम सिक्योरिटी नहीं है, वो वरिड होगा।
तो अगर एसेट प्रूफ करना हो सर कि ओल्ड एज में भी बहुत ज्यादा एसेट होती, तो फिर वो एजुकेटेड लोग ही हो सकते हैं।
अगेन आई बैक टू डिफर। एजुकेशन गिव्स यू मनी, एजुकेशन गिव्स यू सिक्योरिटी ऑलवेज, दैट इज नॉट ट्रू। वो भी एक चीज है, यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड, राइट? रेनू, यू सेड इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक है, हेल्थ इश्यूज डिपेंड अपॉन सिचुएशन, नॉट अ कर्स। रेनू ने बोला कर्स नहीं है, और ये एडवाइस भी देते हैं। ये बूढ़े लोग जो होते हैं ना, इनकी एडवाइस सुना करो, अच्छी भी देते हैं ये लोग एडवाइस, अच्छा बताते हैं केवल अपने एडवाइस देते हैं ये लोग। इनके पास एडवाइस होती है बहुत ज्यादा देने को, तुम जाओगे तो बहुत एडवाइस मिलेगी तुम्हारे पास कि ऐसा करो, वैसा करो, ये करो, तो एडवाइस होती है। दे हैव एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ लाइफ, राइट? दे हैव एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ लाइफ। फिर बिडेन का एग्जांपल रेनू ने दिया। रेनू ने बोला ये हैप्पी लाइफ लीड करते हैं, इनके पास काम नहीं होता कुछ करने को, एंड ये कहीं भी जा सकते हैं, ट्रैवल कर सकते हैं कहीं पे भी, उठ के सवेरे चल पड़े और आज घूम के आएंगे भाई साहब। तो रेनू सेड ऑल दीज पॉइंट्स, एंड Renu said all of us are the opinion that we should provide the environment to them in which they feel safe. तो largely रेनू तुम्हारा इंप्रूवमेंट है, पिछले वाले से तुम्हारा इंप्रूवमेंट है। तुमने बोला भी है, इस बार ऑर्गेनाइज्ड भी था, थोड़ा ऑर्गेनाइज्ड भी था। पहला स्टेप था जब तुमने बोला ही कुछ नहीं, दूसरा था जब तुमने बोला कि कोई मतलब नहीं था उसका जो बोल रहे थे, तीसरा है आज बोला भी कुछ मतलब भी निकल रहा है अभी भी। So that is a progress. Chandrasekhar, you said depends from person to person. Life may be satisfied, it may not be satisfied. Suggestion advised, health issues, Biden can't be example of enjoying life. So sometime you were saying, Chandrasekhar, that yes, you support this statement, sometime you were saying you are not supporting this statement. So it was looking like that. But Chandrasekhar, you should, you know, again I will say, where you say something, you just maintain your little calmness on your face, not very serious. You should not look like very serious. Let me give you feedback to each one of your face. Let me give you want that? Should I give you feedback? Okay, don't change your faces now.
yes sir
Like सागर और चंद्रशेखर बहुत सीरियस है, सागर और चंद्रशेखर सीरियस बैठता है, मनु भी सीरियस बैठ जाएगा, अंकित रिलैक्स, इसको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता दिन दुनिया से, तुम कहीं भी जाओ, अंकित मस्त आदमी। किशन जायसवाल जो है वो सिचुएशन के हिसाब से अपने आप को कर लेता है, कभी हंसने का टाइम है तो हंसेगा भी, वो कर लेगा उसको, और रेनू भी स्माइल कर लेगी बीच में, रोनी इज स्माइलिंग फेस, शारदा आई कांट सी। सो दिस इज व्हाट द परसेप्शन। अभी क्या चेंज करना है तुम लोगों को, जैसे सागर है, चंद्रशेखर है, मनु है, बहुत सीरियस मत हो, बहुत सीरियसनेस इज नॉट गुड, यू नीड टू बी लिटिल स्माइलिंग आल्सो, समटाइम यू स्माइल गाइस, समटाइम यू हैव टू स्माइल वेरी डिस्कशन बिकॉज़ दैट लुक्स चार्मिंग। अभी देखो वो रोनी है ना, आई विल लाइक टू मेक हिम एज माय फ्रेंड बिकॉज़ इट लुक्स लाइक ओके गाय, स्माइलिंग नो, इट लुक्स लाइक ओके, ही मे नॉट बी वेरी ओके, इट लुक्स लाइक ओके। जो बंदा हंसता है, जो स्माइल करता है यार, ही लुक्स लाइक ओके। जो बहुत ही सीरियस है, यू डोंट लाइक दैट फेस, जो बहुत ही सीरियस फेस है वो अच्छा नहीं लगता है। तुम अपना जीडी देखना, अभी यूट्यूब पे डले होंगे तुम लोगों के जीडी, तुम उसमें देखना कई बार तुम बहुत सीरियस होकर बैठे होंगे, इट डज नॉट लुक गुड। तो जो ऑब्जर्वर है उसको ये नेचुरल टेंडेंसी होती है कि जो आदमी डायनामिक है, नॉडिंग कर रहा है, बात कर रहा है, ऑब्जर्वर उसको ऑब्जर्व करेगा। देखो मैं 100 ऑफ जीडीज ऑब्जर्व कर चुका हूँ, आपको ऑनेस्टली एक बात बताऊं, कई बार ऑब्जर्वर को पता भी नहीं होता तुम क्या बोल रहे हो, क्योंकि उसका है तो ह्यूमन बीइंग है, उसका ध्यान नहीं होता। जैसे यहाँ बैठे बैठे कई बार मैं मैसेज देख रहा हूँ, कई बार मैं अपन को सोच रहा हूँ, एंड आई एम अटेंटिव ऑब्जर्वर, क्योंकि एंड में इट इज माय रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू टेल ईच वन ऑफ यू कि तुमने क्या बोला, तो मेरे को तो लिखना भी है, और वहां पे तो ये भी नहीं होता है। सो ऑब्जर्वर कहाँ से नंबर देता है? ऑब्जर्वर नंबर देता है उसने किसको एक्टिव फाइंड आउट किया, कौन उसको एक्टिव लगा। एक्टिव कैसे दिखेगा? बोल के, और नोडिंग करके, और स्माइलिंग करके, और जेस्चर पोस्चर करके, और बैठ के कैसे तुम बैठे हो, एक्टिवली बैठे हो, इससे वो मार्क्स देता है। तो जीडी को पास करना इज वेरी इजी थिंग, नॉट डिफिकल्ट थिंग, जस्ट स्टिक टू दीज थिंग्स। ये टॉपिक की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, टॉपिक कुछ भी हो, ये चीज तो कर ही सकते हो, टॉपिक कुछ भी हो, हाथ पैर तो मार ही सकते हो तुम, नोडिंग तो कर ही सकते हो, सुन तो सकते हो किसी को, तुमने किसी को सुना, यस नो किया, अटेंटिव आई कॉन्टेक्ट मेंटेन किया, और ये तो ऑफलाइन तुम्हारा जीडी होना है। ऑफलाइन में तो तुम ऐसे नोडिंग करोगे उसकी तरफ देख के, दिस इज समथिंग विच इज इंपॉर्टेंट। ये कर लोगे तो तुम्हारा जीडी हो जाएगा। And you are not preparing only for GD, you are preparing for even your personality. This is what the personality also part of your personality. तो इसको develop करो, right? सागर ने सागर the word is consensus. तो consensus means आपस में एक agreement होना, वो word आपने गलत use किया था। Joe Biden, oldest, don't name people to give them more care. So Sagar, your point of view was okay. I mean the point of view which you took के लोग जो हैं कर्स नहीं होता है, आई मीन देयर आर ओल्ड पीपल हु आर डूइंग गुड जॉब। सागर ओपिनियन यू हैव टेकन राइट, बट कंक्लूजन तुमने बहुत अच्छा नहीं दिया, और कंक्लूजन में तुमने सब लोगों का पॉइंट नहीं रखा। नंबर 2, आपको दूसरे लोगों को इंट्रोडक्शन में दूसरे लोगों का रेफर नहीं करना है। आपने ये नहीं बोलना कि ही वाज सेइंग दिस, ही वाज सेइंग दैट। इंट्रोडक्शन इज योर ओन, इंट्रोडक्शन आपका अपना होता है, कंक्लूजन बाकियों का होता है। दिस इज व्हाट यू नीड टू रिमेंबर। Ronnie said curse for someone but not for others, need to speak, some people suffer from disease। तो Ronnie का भी point of view सही था। मेंटल थिंकिंग पर्सन टू पर्सन पर्सपेक्टिव है, इसने बोला कि ये अपना अपना पर्सपेक्टिव है, जिनके चिल्ड्रन सपोर्ट करते हैं वो उनकी वो ठीक होती है। तो रोनी का आइडियाज वाज करेक्ट, ही वाज गोइंग इन द राइट डायरेक्शन, बट कंक्लूजन में रोनी यू ट्राई टू ऐड अदर्स आल्सो। Sharda, you said that old age is not a curse, and healthy if you are, then it is not a curse. But I don't agree with you when you said when in old age you have more mental stability. In fact, it is the reverse. In old age you do not have mental stability and clarity. Old age में वो नहीं होता। Sharda, you are there?
Yes sir.
हाँ, तो old age में कहाँ होता है?
Eden का एग्जांपल लिया, उनके केस में तो एकदम पीक पे मेंटल स्टेबिलिटी है। नरेंद्र मोदी जी को देख लीजिए ना, उस एज के हिसाब से बात कर रही थी।
नरेंद्र मोदी जी को तो ओल्ड बोल दिया तुमने, गड़बड़ हो गई है। वो तो अभी 2 इलेक्शन और लड़ने की सोच रहे हैं, आप उसको ओल्ड एज बोल रहे हैं। अब मेरे को पता नहीं मैं इस यूट्यूब में डाल पाऊंगा कि नहीं शारदा डिस्कशन को। नरेंद्र मोदी कहाँ ओल्ड है, उनके तो सर्टिफिकेट में एज का पता ही नहीं है क्या क्या चल रहा है। आई डोंट नो दैट इज नॉट। और ये जिनके तुम एग्जांपल ले रहे हो ये तो रेयर एग्जांपल हैं। ओल्ड एज में मेंटल श्रूडनेस एंड मेंटल बैलेंस थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ाता है, दैट इज नॉट देयर।
में ना 60-70s में तो अच्छा ही होता है।
और व्हाट अबाउट 40 30s इन कंपैरिजन टू दैट, यू टेल मी। In comparison, if you say 70 में अच्छा होता है, then all UPSC exam will write in 70s. I tell you honestly, मैं IAS की एज बढ़ाते हैं 70 में लिखेंगे उसको शारदा। ओल्ड एज में जो मेंटल स्टेबिलिटी, you mean to say stability in life, you can say that, mental नहीं, stability in life, because you are not to do anything extra, you know,
सर आई थिंक एक्सपीरियंस ज्यादा होता है।
obviously तो होगा ही रेनू, वो क्यों नहीं होगा, तो एज के साथ ही आएगा। बच्चों ने आपको ट्रीट नहीं अच्छा किया, ये भी तो एक्सपीरियंस है जो वहीं पे मिलेगा जाके, अभी थोड़ी मिलेगा यंग एज में वो तभी मिलेगा जाके। तुम्हें बच्चे ट्रीट नहीं कर रहे हैं, एंड ऑल दिस स्टोरीज यू आर गोइंग टू टेल एट द एंड, नो डाउट अबाउट दैट। एक्सपीरियंस है, विजडम है, सी यू हैव एक्सपीरियंस, यू हैव विजडम, you can be asset for your family, you are now stable, you are not very pushing, you can lead a relaxed life, you are relaxed, you are stable, you are wisdomful, you are experienced fellow, but at the same time you are not physically and mentally that strong now। फिजिकल एंड मेंटल हेल्थ नहीं होती ना, पार्किंसन डिजीज है वो तभी तो लगती है जब आप भूल जाते हो, आपको याद नहीं रहती चीजें, इनसिक्योरिटी आ जाती है, तुम इनसिक्योर होते हो, यंग एज में इनसिक्योर नहीं होते तुम। You know, in India it is said that why do you marry, because old age में you get company। आप में से किसी ने सोशल आइसोलेशन की बात नहीं की, सोशली आइसोलेट हो जाएगा, किसी ने बात नहीं किया। सोशल आइसोलेशन इज अ वेरी बिग ट्रबल राइट नाउ। यू गाइस, यू आर सिटिंग, वी आर सिटिंग हियर, वी आर टॉकिंग, वी आर चैटिंग, यू नो। घर में कोई ओल्ड मैन होगा, वो क्या करेगा अभी, उसको काम थोड़े कुछ करने के लिए, उसको तो टीवी देखेगा, किसी से बात थोड़ी कर पाएगा दैट वे। सो आइसोलेशन इज द मेन ट्रबल। आपको काम नहीं है तो फिर क्या करोगे बाद में। ओल्ड यंग एज तो निकल जाती है, यंग एज में तो काम में तुम निकाल लोगे, ओल्ड एज निकालना मुश्किल हो जाता है उस टाइम पे, आपको कोई काम भी नहीं है, कोई सोशल उस तरीके से एक हो, आइसोलेशन हो जाता है राइट। सो दिस इज हाउ इट वाज टू बी डन। मतलब आप कोई भी डिस्कशन करना है ना, तो एक काम कर लो कि जो कुछ पैटर्न है, सेट पैटर्न्स, उनको याद कर लो। नंबर 2, डिस्कशन करते टाइम बड़े दिमाग लगाओ कि तुम बोलना क्या चाह रहे हो, क्या बात बोलना चाह रहे हो, उसको बोलो। आई एम वेरी श्योर ये टॉपिक ओल्ड एज इज अ कर्स अगर तुम अब सोचने बैठोगे तो तुम्हें बोलने, तुम कई पॉइंट्स दे दोगे, अच्छे अच्छे पॉइंट्स, बट आपके दिमाग में भी ये होता है कि मैं तो जीडी में बैठा हूँ, जीडी में बैठा हूँ तो मेरे को पता नहीं क्या पॉइंट देना है। डोंट थिंक दैट वे, जस्ट गिव योर नेचुरल फ्लो, यू नीड टू बी इन नेचुरल फ्लो एंड यू विल गिव योर बेस्ट इन इंटरव्यू एंड जीडी व्हेन यू आर इन योर नेचुरल फ्लो। अगर आप ये सोच के जा रहे हो ना कि मेरा जीडी होना है या मेरा इंटरव्यू होना है, तो आपकी परफॉर्मेंस विल नॉट कम नाइसली, बिलीव मी। मेरा अपना एक्सपीरियंस ये है कि जिस इंटरव्यू में भी मैं बिना टेंशन के गया एंड मैं नेचुरल फ्लो किया, जो आता था बोला, जो नहीं आता था नहीं बोला, उसमें मार्क्स मिलते हैं। लेकिन अगर तुम अंडर प्रेशर गए हो कि मैंने सारे आंसर लगाने, मैंने सब कुछ बोलना है, मेरे को तो ये है, तो वो उसमें परफॉर्मेंस नहीं आएगा। डोंट डू दैट, just maintain your calmness and free flow, then performance will come। and GD is a very very simple thing, very simple thing if you ask me। written exam, interview, GD में सबसे सिंपल GD होता है, क्योंकि इसमें आपको पैटर्न होता है, उस पैटर्न से तुम बोल सकते हो, और इसमें तुम्हें नहीं बोलना होता है, इसमें कई लोग बोल रहे होते हैं, तुमने उनसे अच्छा बोलना है, उनसे अच्छा बोलना है। मे बी आई डोंट नो वेदर यू नो दिस और नॉट, देयर आर सो मेनी गुड राइटर्स जो दूसरों की बुक से कॉपी करके उनसे कहीं अच्छा लिख लेते हैं, और उनकी बुक्स बहुत ज्यादा चलती हैं, और जिसने ओरिजिनल लिखा होता है उसकी बुक नहीं चलती, जिसने पढ़ा उसने उसको तोड़ा मरोड़ा और अच्छी लिख के दे दी। वैसे अगर कोई पॉइंट बोल रहा है कुछ, तुम उसको सुनो और बहुत अच्छे तरीके से सिंपल मैनर में दोबारा रीफ्रेज कर दो, तुम्हें मार्क्स मिल जाएंगे उसके। सो जीडी इज वेरी सिंपल, ऑल यू टू डू इज फॉल्ट फाइंडिंग इन अदर्स, सपोर्टिंग अदर्स, कीप पुशिंग एंड स्पीकिंग, दैट्स इट, नथिंग एल्स। लंबा चौड़ा कोई फाइट नहीं है इसमें, ये है जीडी। एनीथिंग यू वांट टू आस्क और से?
सर मेरे एक्चुअली मेरी एक रिक्वेस्ट थी कि सर एक रिकॉर्डिंग जैसे मतलब जिसमें मैं हूँ वो वाली सर एक रिकॉर्डिंग यूट्यूब पे डाल देते ताकि मैं अपना परफॉर्मेंस देख सकूं मेरा कैसा है।
आप तीन चार में आ चुके हो, बोलो कौन सी वाली डाली जाए?
सर यही वाली डाल दो, आज वाली।
हाँ, इसमें तो तुमने बूढ़े बूढ़े लोगों की प्रेस कर दी है, आई थिंक दैट इज गुड, डाली जा सकती है, कोई लेट मी टेल देम एंड उसको रेनू डाल देते हैं कल।
यस ठीक
कि
है
वो
सर,
वाली
थैंक यू
डलवाएं
सर।
जिसमें तुम कुछ बोल नहीं रहे हो, आई थिंक दैट विल बेटर।
नहीं नहीं सर, ये वाली।
मैं एक सीरीज डाल देता हूँ रेनू के, रेनू का इवोल्यूशन ऑफ रेनू इन जीडी। सो पहला व्हेन रेनू वाज साइलेंट, दूसरा जब रेनू वाज स्पीकिंग बट ऑल नॉनसेंस, थर्ड रेनू इज नो स्पीकिंग सेंस,
नहीं सर, यही
समथिंग
वाली
लाइक
डाल
दैट। नो,
देना।
ठीक है।
नहीं
सो एनीवे देन आई विल पुट इट दिस। Okay, Ronnie, okay, Sharda, you this was your first, I suppose, right?
Yes, sir.
Keep practicing, it comes with the practice. Anything you want to say?
सर अभी कुछ आपके पास फीडबैक्स आए कैसे हो रहे हैं जीडी और जीटी, मतलब इंटरव्यूज?
यार मेरे पास हैं भी, लेकिन एक्चुअली आपने एक चीज देखा होगा कि जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स हैं ना, दे हेजिटेट शेयरिंग विद अदर्स बिकॉज दे थिंक कि अगर हम बता देंगे तो दूसरों को फायदा हो जाएगा। दैट मेंटालिटी स्टिल एग्जिस्ट। सो मेरे पास है फीडबैक, मेरे को लोग बताया भी है, बच्चों ने ये दिया भी फीडबैक कैसा कैसा हो रहा है, बट आई डू नॉट वांट टू डिस्कस एंड शेयर इट विद यू।
अच्छा, जीडी हिंदी इंग्लिश में कैसे हो रहा है ये तो सर बता सकते हैं?
इंग्लिश में हिंदी में बोल रहे हैं बच्चे, हिंदी में बोल रहे हैं, वो बोलते भी कि हिंदी में बोल लो, क्योंकि न्यू अब आप देख रहे हो गवर्नमेंट बीजेपी का है तो हिंदी को इनकार कोई नहीं कर सकता। सो लेकिन स्टिल माय एडवाइस इज कि अगर इंग्लिश में बोल सको, यू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश, दैट इज माय एडवाइस टू यू। बट अगर बीच में फंस ही जाओ तो हिंदी में, अगर अब जैसे फ्रेज है तो वो फ्रेज तो हिंदी में चलेगी, गागर में सागर भर देना, उसको अंग्रेजी में थोड़ी बोलेंगे, तो हिंदी की फ्रेज है वो, तुम हिंदी में बोलो, कोई ट्रबल नहीं, लेकिन मेंटेन दैट इंग्लिश पार्ट।
इंटरव्यू में टेक्निकल ज्यादा हो रहा है कि कैसे सर? एचआर
दोनों ही हो रहा है, टेक्निकल भी हो रहा है, कई बार एचआर पे पूरा इंटरव्यू चला जा रहा है, पूरे का पूरा एचआर पे भी चला जा रहा है, तुम्हारे नाम पे भी जा रहा है पूरे का पूरा, हॉबी पे भी जा रहा है पूरे का पूरा। वो टाइम पास करना है, उन्होंने तुम्हारी पर्सनैलिटी पता करनी है, वो कर लेंगे। तुमने बोला मेरी हॉबी जो है वो खाना बनाना है, तो उसी पे तुम्हारी पूरी पर्सनैलिटी पता कर लेंगे। घर में खाना कौन बनाता है, मम्मी के पापा? बोलते हैं मम्मी बनाती, पापा क्यों नहीं बनाते हैं? नहीं सर ये तो मम्मी का ही काम होता है। क्या कहाँ लिखा मम्मी का काम होता है? यार पापा का भी तो काम हो सकता है। और तुम क्यों हॉबी, तुमने हॉबी कहाँ से सीखी? मम्मी से, पापा से? सर मम्मी से सीखी। तो कितने भाई बहन हो? सर एक भाई एक बहन। तो तुम मम्मी के ऊपर है या तुम्हारी बहन मम्मी के ऊपर है? ऐसे चल रहा है पूरा डिस्कशन उसमें। एंड डोंट टेक इट क्यों टाइम पास कर रहे हैं, वो तुम्हारी पर्सनैलिटी पता कर रहे हैं, तुम्हें पता भी नहीं चलेगा, तुम्हें पता भी नहीं चलेगा, और मैं सारी पर्सनैलिटी तुम्हारी पता लगा लूंगा, तुम इस टाइप के आदमी हो यार। ये तुम चाहते हो, तुम ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में स्टिक करोगे कि ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को छोड़ दोगे, कि तुम क्या हो, तुम्हारा एटीट्यूड क्या है, दूसरों को लेके एटीट्यूड तुम्हारा क्या है, ये सब चीज वहां पे चलता है। तो जैसे एक इंटरव्यू में भी पूछा है किसी में कि यार ये शटडाउन हुआ है घर में, सर्वेंट जो आते हैं उनको निकाल दिया, अच्छी बात की बुरी बात की, क्या किया? अब ये जो तुम आंसर दोगे वो तुम्हारा एटीट्यूड रिफ्लेक्ट करता है कि किसी को नौकरी से निकाल देना या सेफ्टी या क्या है, पर्सपेक्टिव क्या है तुम्हारा, कि तुम्हारे घर में जो सर्वेंट आती थी तुमने शटडाउन में उसको निकाल दिया, तो अच्छा की बुरा किया, क्या लगता है तुम्हें? अब जो तुम आंसर करोगे, whatever you answer, that shows your attitude, and I can check that. So just be yourself.
Sir, this was my first time. तो हम मन में बहुत से चाह रहा था सर कि हम ये पॉइंट बोल सकते, लेकिन निकल नहीं रहा था मुझे सर, मतलब बोल नहीं पा रहे थे, मतलब अटक जा रहे थे। आई वाज बिफोर हम सोचते थे कि बहुत अच्छा बोल सकते हैं, लेकिन आज हम देख लिए कि अटक जा रहे थे हम सर।
I tried practice. This is Ronnie, this is a practice actually. This is all about practice.
Sir, how was my GD?
It was good. See, ingredient is there. You have that basic ingredient where you can speak. But having ingredient and actually speaking, there's a hell amount of difference. It is like this. You are every big actor will tell you that one day he was identified by someone that he can be good actor, but he did not become good actor in a single movie. Amitabh Bachchan did not become good actor in a single movie, though he was having that trait acting in him, that hidden talent was there, but he did not become in a single movie. So there's a hidden talent, there's a capability, that is one thing, but capability will come out after a lot of practice. You need to have that practice. There's a point. And interview and GD is something which majority of students neglect. That is a point, it never comes out. Otherwise, if you do regular practice, it will come out. There's the reason we go for so many snaps and so many GDs. Why we are doing every day the GDs? I suppose there are some people who have done many GDs. Chandrasekhar, what number of GDs is this? Do you even recall? No, Chandrasekhar, you need to unmute yourself.
Nearly 10 GDs, sir.
10 GDs you are participated. So lot of practices you do. You need to do practice. Every practice. But whatever feedback you get, not only you but others, if you do not learn, then even after 10 or 20 you will remain same. Don't do that.
Yes, sir.
After 5 GDs, you should be in a position where you do not get eliminated. You do not get eliminated.
How
Like
was my
Renu will not
Yes,
get
sir.
eliminated today, but previous match she was to get eliminated. She was not even speaking. So that practice you need to have actually.
how was my performance?
Where I can't even see where you are. So I don't give feedback to people whom I don't see. So Sharda, you are hidden. You are a hidden personality here. I can't give you your feedback. So
How did
now that you are hidden, now you are participating. How can you give feedback now? So actually, you started speaking, but I think feedback should not be given in a 1 or 2 GDs. Participate some more GDs, and yes, it will come. Like Roni, this is first GDs for you. You just participate for some more time. The moment you participate for some more time, it will come out. Not a problem.
I
Fine.
have a
Okay,
question.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, Manu.
Sir, if the board members, some of the board members tell us to sell something to them, like a pen, something like that. So how can we do that actually? Like
Selling the pen. Selling the pen.
Yes, sir. Yes, I have seen this question several times.
In the interview, right? Sell,
Yes,
sell
sir.
this pen to me. That is the
Yes,
point.
a
See,
pen
you
or
can.
purse
Yes.
or wallet or something.
Yeah. So you need to say, see, if you want to sell the pen, you do not start selling in the beginning. You don't start selling your product immediately. This is the pen, very good pen, writes very well, value for money. It is a low cost, high performance. Don't start doing that. Before you start selling, develop the rapport with your customer. You say, okay, this is the product I want to sell today, but before I sell it, it should not look like that I'm selling this to you. I want to first tell you who I am, and I'm authentic fellow. So here I am Manu, and I'm technocrat, I'm engineer. So I'm a person who before selling this product knows very well about this product. This product is really good. So when I'm selling this product, I have used it many times myself. You need to believe me on that because of my credentials. And now I also want to know about you. If I sell this product to you, where you will use it, because I don't want to sell this product to you merely because I want to sell it to you. I want to sell it to you because you need it. So I want to know about you. Are you a student? You are using this pen somewhere? Because if you say you don't use it, I'm not going to sell it to you. But if you say not you, but your friend wants to use it, your cousin wants to use it, then yes, you need to tell me. Rapid set करो उसके साथ, उसको पटाओ, उसको convince करो, तब उसको फिर sell करो. So before selling, they want to check it कि तुम convince करके sell कर रहे हो या वैसे बेचने के लिए push कर रहे हो. Don't push it. Convince him that yes, this is the. So sir, I will develop a rapport with him first. I'll tell him about me. I'll know about him, and then I'll sell it. Okay, you're a student. You want to write it. What kind of assignments you're writing? So this is a very good pen. Yeah, the same pen in the market you will get 20 rupees. I'm giving it 15 rupees because our promotion is going on for this. So you're getting it cheap here. Marketing man speaks. That's it. Nothing else. Speaks good and convince somebody. It should not look like you're pushing to sell the pen. No tension should be there on your face when you're selling. Selling is the most, I'll say, difficult thing in this world. You know that. Selling. You can only sell when you're confident and calm. You cannot sell when you're under pressure. You say, sir, I'm under tremendous pressure. I cannot sell. I need to be calm to sell it. So can I have a cup of tea? If you can order for me, then only I can sell it. Right? So this is how you have to push it forward, Manu.
Thanks, sir.
But this they will not tell you in these interviews. I don't think so. Anything else you want to ask? Fine. So anyhow, then I think tomorrow we will not have GD. Tomorrow, let me check if we'll have GD or not. But we keep on doing it continuously. Fine. Okay. Good night to all of you.
Yeah.
good